Hello sparkly people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vera Valentina, your favorite burlesque YouTuber, and on today's episode we are getting back into building a burlesque costume. So a long time ago in a galaxy far away, I built a winter burlesque costume for you guys on camera. However, I didn't show you like how I made it. I just showed you how I found and procured the pieces and put that stuff together. And what's really exciting about this costume that I'm making is it's a recreation of Saweetie's costume from the new video, you know, Bussin. Bitch, I'm bussin'. Yeah, that one. It is a fully rose-covered outfit. It looks like it's a deep V bra with a corset, and I'm gonna make it burlesque looking for a show that I've got coming up at the end of the month. I think it's gonna look really good, but I'm gonna start today with this first video and just show you how I'm going to do the bra. Building a burlesque costume part 1. We're gonna start with the bra. It's gonna be good. Here we go. All right, so we're back at my craft table. So of course, to get started with my burlesque costumes, I always do a sketch to see exactly what I want it to look like. I decided to take this in 3 different pieces. So the top part is a bra covered in roses, and we've got a corset, which is a waspy corset, so it's a little bit shorter, and that top part is gonna be covered with flowers to finish off the rose heart portion. And then this part, of course, is a mini skirt with a fully zippered back, so it undoes. And then, of course, we're doing fishnets, and then some kind of pump. Then the second layer, of course, you'll see the bra, the corset, the underwear. The skirt is gone, we're still wearing gloves, and the fishnets. And then the last layer, of course, we'll do something with the underwear. We'll take the corset off, the bra will still be on, and then of course pasties. I like to sketch out just a general idea just to see what the costume is gonna look like in my head and then how it's gonna translate to the body. So the first thing that I purchased, because I absolutely knew that this was gonna be the most important part of the costume, was the bra. And you guys have seen this style of bra before. It's a U-plunge bra in black. I got it on Amazon, I think it was like $18.99. And as you can see, I've already started on it, and also with the fake flowers, which I also got on Amazon in a 50 pack, there and there. And I think those were $21. And I've gone ahead and just started hot gluing the flowers onto the bra. And it's going to end up looking like that, hopefully, when I'm done. I've also deconstructed some of the flowers to get the right sizes, and I bought a Red Bull per usual and some flower pieces here to fill in the extra spaces. So with that being said, I am gonna go ahead and finish filling in the bra. Then when I'm done filling in the bra, I'm going to cover these roses with rhinestones and then cover the black parts that are still exposed with black rhinestones. It's gonna be great. Got the rhinestones over here, got my hot glue gun, more roses, more petals, the remote. Let's get this done. Like I said, I've already done one half of the bra, so now I'm going to try to match that exact pattern on the opposite side. I'm pulling the wire stems out of the back of the roses for obvious reasons, and then I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue the rose to the bra. There are several different sizes of roses on this bra, and you'll see how I make those different sizes momentarily. Alright, so here's where the additional rose petals come in handy. If you go look at the video of Saweetie's costume, you notice that the roses are all different sizes. So the box of roses that I bought all had roses of the same size. So I had to deconstruct and augment some of the roses to make them bigger and smaller. Right now, you're seeing me make one bigger just by adding the additional rose petals. And then later on, you'll see me basically pull the flowers apart just to make some smaller ones to fill in these smaller spaces and gaps on the bra. So we've got the first part of the bra done. The flowers are attached. Now I made this in a heart shape, so like you guys know, so I can match my drawing because I really want that heart shape up top. And I'm going to finish the bottom of the heart shape with the beginning of the corset, but I'll show you guys that in the next round. But now we are going to go ahead and rhinestone this bad boy. I have to be completely honest with y'all, rhinestoning is not my favorite thing to do. It's my favorite thing to see when it's finished, but I find it so absolutely tedious. I have to watch something while I'm rhinestoning. I have to have a drink. I have to be in the right mindset to stone. So I went ahead and bought a 2,000 piece, well, two 2,000 piece packs of red or cyan colored glass rhinestones, and these come in multi-size, which I love. It's gonna give some dimension to this top. I've learned that if you want to add dimension to something, you need to use multiple sizes of rhinestones. You can't just use one size. I'm telling you, it's gonna sparkle better. So what's cool about this particular pack of rhinestones is that it comes with goodies. The first thing that you pull out is the rhinestone pencil, and it's just a sticky pencil that helps you pick up stones easier. You also have a set of rhinestone tweezers. They're really sharp at the end, so they can grab really small sizes. And then all of the rhinestones come organized in a pack, just like that. I like to tap them out on the table so that I can actually see the rhinestones and pick them up easier with the pencil. And you'll see me use several different sizes of rhinestones and stick those on each little petal with a little bit of, you know, our favorite E6000 glue. Rhinestoning is tedious. I'm not wearing any pants. A little progress for you. We've moved on from the second side, or from the first side. You can tell that I've had a couple drinks. Moved from the first side to the second side. Almost done with the flowers here, but I think I might go back in and add some more of the smaller stones just in here, just to cover it. And then, of course, you know, we've got to add the black around the edges, but I don't know if I'm going to do that tonight. It's going to take a lot more time. I don't even know if I have black stones, honestly. Yet don't remember whether I bought black stones or not. I have to check. Remind me. Well, slap my ass and call me Sally. We are done. Look at this Saweetie inspired burlesque bra. I cannot wait to finish the rest of this costume. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about what's happening so far. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you will like, comment, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Vera Valentina, giving you the best in burlesque, beauty, and booty. Catch you in the next video.